Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Axios in React Native with interceptors, detailed guide step by step clearly. To install Axios in your React Native project, start by navigating to your project directory in the terminal. Use the command npm install Axios to add Axios as a dependency. Once Axios is installed, open your project in your preferred code editor. Create a new directory within your project for API services, if you haven't already. Inside the API services directory, create a new file named axiosconfig.js. In axiosconfig.js, import Axios using import Axios from Axios. Next, you'll want to create an Axios instance for your requests. Define your Axios instance by using const instance equals axios.create, base URL, https://yourapi.com. To set up interceptors, use the instance.interceptors.request.use method for request interception. Inside the use method, implement your request logic, like adding headers. For example, you can add an authorization token to the headers. Add an error handler by passing a second parameter to the use method to catch request errors. Next, set up the response interceptor with instance.interceptors.response.use. In the response handler, you can manipulate the response data if needed. Also, pass a second parameter to handle response errors as well. Now, export the Axios instance you created. Use export default instance at the end of axiosconfig.js. In any component where you need to make API calls, import your Axios instance. Use import API from /path/ to /axiosconfig to bring in the configuration. You can now make requests using methods like api.get, api.post, and so on. Make sure to handle errors using try-catch blocks or .catch for promise rejections. Test your API calls to ensure that your interceptors are working as expected. That's how you install and configure Axios in your React Native application with interceptors. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.